My name is Hindz. I am a podcaster and a content creator and a mindfulness practitioner. I like to create safe and calm spaces online to support people in their self-love journeys or content creation journeys. On my journey, I've met so many people that don't see the value in their story. People assume they need to live some extravagant life or have some groundbreaking information to come on YouTube and share. That's not true. There is something special about you and there's a uniqueness to your story. We often think social media is this place where we need to post our perfect self. We need to post all of our wins. But what makes a good story, right? It's the good chapters and the bad chapters. It's the wins and the losses. In my story, I realized where I was experiencing struggles, this is where my character was being developed. My resilience, my compassion, my strength, all those inner treasures within myself. Your community wants to hear all sides of your story. And it doesn't matter if other people are talking about the same thing you want to talk about. Nobody has heard it through your lens. Nobody has heard it in your voice. A lot of people have commented on my videos and said, you know what? I've heard this before, but for some reason, I'm finally getting it. That's the power in sharing our unique experiences. Remember, you don't have to share everything. You can select what you want to give your fans and your followers through your story. So if you've never created content before or you've been struggling with ideas and the direction, this next exercise will help fine-tune that process and discover more of what you want to bring into this world. So let's dive right into it. First, we're going to write down 4 things we are obsessed with. For me, it was tea. I love my tea, clearly. Videography, creativity, spirituality, and interior design. I love decor. So why is it important to write down what you are obsessed with? Because if you are obsessed with it, trust me, there's a community of people that are obsessed with it as well. Next, 4 things you know a lot about. For me, it was videography, spirituality, sound design, and human emotions. Listing 4 things we know a lot about will help us find the direction we want to bring our channel in and kind of create our niche. YouTube is a place where people come to receive knowledge. So it's key that we understand what we know about. And trust me, there are a lot of people out there waiting to hear what you have to say. Next, we're going to list a few of our most pivotal memories. Mine was becoming a father. Also, the first time I expressed myself, the first time I made a beat, I realized there's a little bit of creativity within me. And also, my first trip outside of Canada, I went to Jamaica, was a pivotal moment for me developing my style. These pivotal memories are important because this is who we are. Each one is an ingredient in our recipe. A lot of people ask me, Hindz, how did you become the person you became? So people want to know those pivotal moments that allowed us to learn more about ourselves and change the course of our life. Next, we're going to list a few things that nobody knows about you. For me, nobody knew I had social anxiety. I was actually pretty good at hiding that my whole life. Next, not a lot of people knew that I come from 2 completely different backgrounds. My dad is Jamaican, my mom is from Newfoundland. This can spark a lot of interest for your community, the things that people don't know about you. You may think no one's interested, but guaranteed if you release one of these, there's going to be somebody out there excited to hear this. And next, we're going to write down what is missing in the world that you can offer. 4 years ago, I said to myself, I want to bring balance into this world because I feel like the algorithm is a little bit chaotic. And this could actually be what your YouTube channel becomes. For me, again, mine was balance. I wanted to create a safe space on the internet, and that gave me the inspiration to move forward and find my niche. So now that we wrote out this list, 1 or 2 things may stick out and you may be like, that's it. That's what I want to make my videos about. For me, it was a collection of things. Tea became a big part of my videos. It's why people come to my channel. I offer them a cup of tea. Also, something people didn't know about me, my social anxiety. I've talked about it a lot on my channel. Things I knew a lot about, spirituality, and my pivotal memories, Jamaica is in there. And my aesthetic, my inspiration, my flavor, all comes from that. So you can see I paved my path and I actually picked something from every single one of these. And ultimately, I created my own niche. So when you look at your list, realize this is what makes you unique. This is what you have to offer to the world. Every single person that does this exercise, no one's going to have the same list. So go through this, ask yourself what resonates, what you want to create videos on, and you may find all of this comes into your content. Thank you for joining me. I want to invite you to my full Skillshare class where I outline my approach to content creation on YouTube in a mindful manner. To get started, click the link in the description.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe to stay up to date on all of our latest videos.